In this video, I will explain how to use the Google Docs citation tool to create a citation entry that you can use in your works cited document. Your works cited page will always be on a separate page, so when you're typing your essay and you end your essay, then you'll go down to the next page to start your works cited entry. To find the citation tool in Google Docs, go to Tools and click on it, and then click on Citations. Citations will pop up, and there's a drop-down box over to the right with an arrow where you can select which format you're going to use. We are using MLA 8th edition, so we'll just keep that there. And then on this plus sign that says Add a Citation Source, we'll click on that. And then we have some drop-down menu options. So I'm going to use as an example the academic journal article for the paper menagerie, which is a journal article. I'll select that, and I'm going to look at the next option, which is accessed by. I access that from an online database, and then we're going to enter the specific information for the article itself, starting with the author's first name, followed by the last name. And depending on the type of entry you are citing, you may have other information to add here. For the article title, I'm going to copy this. It's a long title. And put it here. The journal title is the Journal of Literature and Art Studies, which I will add under journal title. Volume is 10. Issue is 9. Pages were, and this information is all on the PDF of the article itself. And if you have any difficulty interpreting the information on a journal article, in terms of entering that information into this citation generator, you can always ask me, and I am happy to help with that. The publication year was 2020. There is no short title. There's no standard number. The database I found this in was Google Scholar. And the URL, I will copy and paste that URL for the PDF for this article. And the final information asks for the day the information was accessed by you. So whenever you found this information or this journal article, I'm just going to use today. So the day is the 25th, the month is September, and the year 2021. Once you're finished adding all the information, click on this box that says Add Citation Source. And then you can copy and paste this information into your works cited entry. All right. And I meant to also show you what this cite link does. If you click it, it will create an in-text citation for any quotes or paraphrases that you use from this article. You would just have to put the actual page number, if applicable, here in parentheses instead of having the number symbol. For a works cited page, it should also be double spaced. So I'm going to come to this option, line and paragraph spacing, and choose double space. And one more thing we have to do is create a hanging indent for our entries. To do this, we're going to go to Format, and then we're going to click on Align and Indent, and then we're going to go to Indentation Options. And from there, where it says Special Indent, we will choose Hanging and Apply. And typically you'll have more than one entry in your works cited page. When that happens, you can highlight the entire page or all the entries and then do what I just did in terms of creating the hanging indent. With your works cited page, keep in mind that if you do have multiple entries, you need to put them in alphabetical order according to the first word of the entry. If you have any questions or you need any help creating a works cited page, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Mahalo.